Good morning, students. Myself Suraj Bhan Singh, and today I am going to teach you this poem, Nine Gold Medals. This poem has been composed by David Roth. David Roth is an American writer and means actor, author, and musician also. He had a very deep uh, knowledge of music. So once he just imagines he took an imaginary incident and composed a poem that is the Nine Gold Medals. In this poem, he has tried to show that winning in sports is not everything. It is the participation with the true sportsmanship is the most important thing in a competition. So here he says, what happened once when the Special Olympic Games were being held. Special Olympic Games means the Olympic Games which were designed for differently abled people. Differently abled people means these players were not means in their normal form, in their proper form. Means they were crippled. Physically they were not fit, but means these means the games for these people have been called by the writer as Special Olympic Games. So once when these Olympic Games were being held, by the way, a player, a young player, when participating in a 100-meter race, fell down, and then what happened next? What happened after his falling is given there. We will come to know when we read the poem. So before I start the explanation, you please take out your book, open, and put a finger where I am reading. The athletes had come from so many countries. Athletes means participants in the games. These contestants had come from different places, from different countries, and they had come to run for the gold. They had come for winning the gold medal, or silver or bronze. So they had come to win a medal there in these games. Many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. So means they had trained themselves. These players, these participants had trained themselves for months and even for years also, just to get a medal there in the games. All building up to the games. All building up. They were all preparing for the games. I just repeat. The athletes had come from so many countries to run for the gold, for the silver and the bronze. These participants, these contestants in the sports had come from different countries just to win a gold medal or a silver medal or a bronze medal. They had prepared themselves, they had trained themselves for many years, for many weeks, many months, just for preparing themselves for the games so that they could get the medal there in the games. All round the field, spectators were gathered. Means the field was there, and means players had gathered there, but around the field there were so many people, so many spectators, audiences were there, and they were there, gathered means collected. They were there just to cheer on all the young women and men. So these people, these audiences, these spectators had gathered there just to cheer up, to encourage the young women and men. Women and men means young women and men means players. So they had come. The players, the audiences, the spectators had come, and they were standing all around the field just to cheer up the players, just to encourage the players. Then the final event of the day was approaching, and then it was the day. The day which was coming was means the final event of the day. Final event of the day was 100-meter race. 100-meter race means the final of the 100-meter race was going to be means there. The last race about to begin. It was the final race of 100-meter race was about to be there. Again means must listen to me. As audiences had gathered themselves just to cheer, to encourage the players, and then means it was the day when the final event means the 100-meter race, the final of the 100-meter race was about to be there. Then in the third extractor, loudspeakers called out the names of the runners. Then their names were means declared. The name of the participants were called out so that they could come to the track. 100 meters, the race to be run. Means the main event of the day was about to be there. So loudspeaker announced their names, announced the names of the participants, and 9 young athletes stood there determined, and there were standing all the 9 young athletes means took their position. They came there on their track and poised means took positioned for the sound of the gun. They just took their position and waited eagerly for the signal. Sound of the gun means they just waited for the firing of the gun so that they could start their race. Is it clear? The name of the participants, the names of the participants were called out through loudspeakers, and one by one these racers, these participants came and stood there on the track, and they were 9 in number, and they were determined. Because they all had prepared themselves for months and for years. That's why they all were determined. They all were confident to win the race, to win the gold medal, silver medal, or bronze medal. And that's why they took their position and waited eagerly for the signal. For the sound of the gun means for the signal. The signal was given. The pistol fire exploded. Means the signal was given. The flag was the signal from the flag was given. So the signal was given. The flag was put down, and pistol exploded, and pistol was fired. Meaning is the gun was fired. The players, the racers were all given a signal to start the race, and so did the runners on hearing the sound. And so did the runners as soon as the signal was given, as soon as the pistol was fired. At once the racers, the participants, the contestants started their race on hearing the sound. As soon as they heard the pistol of the gun, means the firing of the pistol. But they means as soon as the race started, there happened a very unique thing, a very strange thing. And what was it? The youngest among them stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. As these 9 contestants started their race, all of a sudden, the youngest of the competitors, the youngest one of these racers, fumbled. Fumbled means ladkadana. He just had a fumble and then staggered, means moved means irregularly. As soon as the sound of the gun was heard, these racers started their race, but all of a sudden, the youngest of these athletes all of a sudden fumbled down, then staggered, moved, and at last he fell on his knees to the ground. He just fell down on the ground. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. Because of frustration, because of mental suffering, physically he was not hurt. This must be noticed, children. Physically he was not hurt. He was means suffering because of a mental pain. He was suffering mentally. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts dashed in the dirt. And he was crying, he was means, crying because of frustration and anguish, because all his dreams to win gold medal, to win a silver medal or bronze medal, and all his efforts, because he had trained himself for the months, for years also, dashed in the dirt, means all his dreams and efforts, according to him, came to means be over. All shattered, all his dreams were shattered. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, but this time in this line, David Roth is talking to us, talking to the readers. Here I am means this David Roth. Writer says, this poet says that it happened as he is telling us the story, as this is true that he is telling us the story. In the same way, it was also true that it's a strange one, but here's what occurred. The poet says, David Roth says, that as confirmly, as surely, he is telling us the story. He is telling us the incident, about the incident, in the same manner, in the same proportion. This is also true, that as soon as he fumbled, the youngest athlete fumbled and staggered and fell on his knees. Means there happened a very strange thing. And what had occurred? The 8 other athletes stopped in their tracks. The 8 other athletes stopped in their tracks as soon as the youngest athlete fell. At once, all the other 8 athletes stopped in their tracks. Tracks means the way, the passage where a racer runs a track. So all the other 8 athletes stopped at once in their tracks. The ones who had trained for so long to compete, one by one, means these were the ones, says Mr. David Roth, that these 8 athletes were the same people, the same racers who had trained themselves very tough for many months, for many years, just to win a medal. At once they stopped, and one by one they turned round and came back to help him. One by one, all the other 8 athletes, one by one, came to the athlete, the youngest athlete, who had fallen there in the field, and came back to help him. They just came to help him, to make him stand, lifted the lad to his feet. Lad means boy, the youngest athlete. So they just lifted the young boy to stand on his feet. Then all 9 runners joined hands and continued. Then what happened? All the 9 racers joined their hands. They just joined their hands. And what happened? Continued the 100 meters, and means the 100 meters reduced to a walk. They just held their hands, caught their hands, and came slowly to the finishing line. They came slowly and together to the finishing line, holding the hands of each other. The banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. Meaning is, these were the Special Olympics, as I told you, because these Olympics games were for differently abled people, or participants. So banner was lying there. A banner was there, and on this banner it was written Special Olympics. And these 9 athletes, when they came to the finishing line all together, they made these Olympics a special one in real sense. These Olympic Games became Special Olympic Games in real sense because these 9 players, these 9 participants, these 9 contestants had shown the feeling or the feeling of true sportsmanship. They all came together and made the meaning of Olympics more clear because they made these Olympics a Special Olympics. That's how the race ended. In this way, the race came to an end with 9 gold medals. They came to finish line holding hands still because they all came to the finishing line holding the hands of each other. That's why they were all these 9 were declared as the winners, and they all were given the 9 gold medals and the banner above and the 9 smiling faces means banner was there and 9 smiling faces were there. All these 9 players, all these 9 racers were smiling because none of them had won and none of them had lost. But as a true sportsman person, as a true sportsman, all these 9 racers had won in the field of humanity. इंसानियत के क्षेत्र में ये सारे के सारे 9 रेसर्स विजेता थे. दैट्स वाई they were all provided 9 gold medals each. Said more than these words ever will. Said more than these words ever will. So these were the Special Olympics, and these 9 sportsmen had made them more special by showing their sportsmanship. That's why these nine Olympic medal, these nine, that's why these Olympic games became more special, says David Roth.
Okay.
Now, because I have already now I'm going to discuss the question and answer of the chapter of the poem. And because I have already told you the explanation, that's why I'm directly coming to the questions. Before I start in the meaning and the answer of the question, you please open out your workbook so that you can understand in better way. First question is, where did the athletes come from so many countries? Where did the athletes come from so many countries? They had come to the stadium. They had come to the stadium from so many countries. And why? Why means they had come to the stadium from different countries just to participate in the special Olympic Games. What do the words gold, silver and bronze stand for in the extractor? Gold, silver and bronze. These words stand for medals. Gold medal is given to the best contestant, while silver is given to the runner-up. And third position holder gets the bronze medal. So all these means words stand for medals there in the competition. Do you think the contestants were prepared well for the event? Give a reason for your answer. Question is, do you think that the contestant means participants, were prepared well? Yes, because the poet says, the writer says, David Roth says, they had prepared for many weeks and months in training, and they were just preparing for the games. The reason is, it is true that they all were prepared well for the contest, for the event, because they had trained themselves, they had given themselves a very tough training for months, for years. So it is true. All building up to the games. give the meaning of they means all the athletes come prepared. All the athletes came prepared for the games to win some medal, whether gold, silver, or bronze. All the athletes had come just to prepare, just to get some medal. The last race about to begin. The meaning of it is the 100-meter race was about to be about to start. Why did the spectators gather around the field? The spectators, that is the audience, they gathered around the field to watch the match and to encourage the players, to encourage the racers, contestants, who are referred to as the young women and men. Children, be very careful. WOMEN, it is called women. WOMAN, it is called woman. VNO, men. So these young women and men were athletes. Which final event is referred to in the extractor? It is 100-meter race. 100-meter race is referred to in the extractor. What was the mood of the spectators there? They were all very happy, excited, and waiting eagerly for the event of the day. Event of the day was 100-meter race. Now give the meaning and significance of poised. Poised means to take position. Poised means take position and wait eagerly for the signal. All these athletes, all these racers had taken their position as soon as their names were announced through the loudspeakers. So all these spectators took their position and waited eagerly for the signal. Show how the suspense was built up before the competition began. The question is how the suspense was built up before the competition began. Listen, first of all, the poet, that is Mr. David Roth, has created an excitement among the spectators. All the spectators were very excited for the race. Then he had told us something about starting of the event. Then there were they just waited for the firing, they just waited for the signal. So the athletes were waiting for the signal. That's why again it has created a feeling of excitement. And then when the race started, at once there stumbled the youngest athlete. The youngest athlete stumbled at once. This created the maximum of excitement. Every reader just wants to know what would happen next. What did the exploding of pistol signify? Exploding means firing. Exploding of the pistol meaning is starting of the game, starting of the race. Two examples of rhyming pattern in the extractor. In first 4 lines it is A B C D. Next 4 lines it is A B A B. Children, I must tell you that there is no regular rhyming scheme in the poem. In the whole of the poem, there is no set rhyming scheme. So, but in these 2 paragraphs, it is A B C D, and first 4 lines, next 4 lines, it is A B A B. How does the poem show the value of true sportsmanship? Children, listen. When the youngest athlete stumbled, staggered, and fell on his knees, all the 8 athletes at once stopped. Although they had trained themselves for many weeks, for many months, for many years, but at once they forgot the idea of winning a medal. They stopped and made the youngest athlete stand on his feet. Then what happened? uh, they they just caught the hands of each other and came to the finishing line all together without caring for their gold medal. So this poem, in this way, this poem shows that all the nine athletes valued the true sportsman spirit, not the only winning during the race. Who had bad luck? It is the youngest athlete. What happened to him? He just, as soon as the race started, he at once uh, stumbled, staggered, and fell on his knees. What were his feelings then? He was very much depressed, very much desperate, because all his dreams of winning a medal in the race had been shattered. Who means what? Gave out a cry. Who gave out a cry? The youngest athlete gave out a cry. Why did he cry? Because he had fallen there on the track, and he found that now he could not win the gold medal there in the Special Olympics. That's why in what depression, he just cried. What were his dreams? His dreams were to win the gold medal only. His dreams were to win a medal at least. What happened to them? His dreams had all shattered. Shattered means bikhar jana. What was his anguish? His anguish was that he was not able to win a medal because of falling there on the track. Said in your own words what the eight other runners did. The eight other runners at once stopped and helped him. Him means the youngest athlete to stand and means they just came together to the finishing line. What did their action reflect on their attitudes? This action reflects that they all were sportsmen in real sense. They all had the true sportsman spirit, because without caring for winning a gold medal or any other medal, bronze or silver, they just stopped and helped out the youngest athlete. That's why they were sports person in real sense. How do these lines bring out the main theme of the poem? One by one they turned round and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. The theme of the line is, firstly, the theme of the poem is empathy. EMPATHY. Empathy means to understand the feeling of others, putting oneself in place of the other fellow. In other words, we can say to put oneself in other person's shoes. Then, so in this line, the theme is quite clear that as soon as the youngest athlete fell down, all the eight athletes stopped at once and came to that youngest athlete and helped him to stand on his feet, and they all came together. So this is the theme. True sportsman spirit is the theme of the poem, and this line shows this emotion there in the poem. At this point of time, what does the narrator call a story a strange one? Narrate what happened after the young boy was brought to his feet. At this point of time, why does narrator call the story a strange one? The narrator calls the story a strange one because none of the athletes, there were 9 athletes, none of them had won, means none of them wanted to win. They wanted to win the race as a team. So they joined hands and came together to the finishing line. They all got 9 gold medals and standing ovation. Narrate what happened after the young boy was brought up to his feet. All these 9 athletes came together to the finishing line and they all got the 9 gold medals and they all got the standing ovation from the audience. Now, extra number last. Why did the 9 athletes join hands? They wanted, they means the 9 athletes joined hands because they wanted to win it as a team. They wanted to win the race as a team. What did the reactions of joining hands show? That they had the team spirit. They were the real sports person. They showed. Why was the race reduced to a walk? Because the youngest athlete, the race was reduced to a walk because the youngest athlete had fallen and he was unable to run. That's why all these 9 athletes came slowly, came walking to the finishing line. That's why the race was reduced to a walk. Give the meaning and the significance of and the banner above that said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. Special Olympics are for differently abled athletes. Differently abled means the athletes who are unable to walk properly. They are crippled fellow, and that's why they are unable to walk properly, to run properly. That's why these are Special Olympics. So, but it became truly special. These Olympics became truly special because of the spirits of these participants. These participants stopped and helped the youngest athlete to stand, and then they all came all together to the finishing line. This spirit of a true sportsmanship made these Special Olympics more special. How did the race end? The race ended with the victory of sportsman spirit. The race ended with the victory of the sportsman spirit. In what way was the ending appropriate? Ending was appropriate because all the 9 athletes came together, joining their hands, came together to the standing finishing line, and they got all these 9 athletes got the 9 gold medals and standing ovation from the people, from the audience. How did the race in the Special Olympics become very special indeed? The race in the Special Olympics became very special indeed because all the racers were happy while touching the finishing line or crossing the finishing line together, because means on paper none of them had won, on paper none of them had lost, but means in the heart of the audience, but as a true sports person they all were winners because they have won the heart of the audience. They have won the means what? They have won in a emotionally, you can say. Audiences also audiences were also happy because they saw the real sportsman spirit there among the 9 athletes. Last question of the poem is, how did the contestants feel when they crossed the finishing line together? They were all hilarious. They were all very happy when they crossed the finishing line together, because none of them had won, none of them had lost, but emotionally and spiritually they all had won. All the 9 athletes had won. And how do you think the spectators reacted? They all reacted very happily because they had seen a new example of true sportsman spirit there on the ground. So, children, I hope that you could have understood each and every question and each and every explanation of the poem. Still, if you have any doubt, you can talk to me through phone, through message, and I will try to give you my best explanation and answer also.